If you have ever lived with one cat, you already know they are a handful. Now, imagine 9. With this many cats, things like feeding, cleaning, and honestly just keeping track of everyone's health can get overwhelming pretty fast. So over the years, I've learned pretty heavily into smart pet tech to make life a bit more manageable. Today, I want to show you one product that focuses on something most cat owners don't really think about until there's already a problem: litter box habits. Hey, I'm Vincent. I live with 9 cats, and over the years, my home has slowly turned into a very controlled environment. Not because I love gadgets, but because once you have multiple cats, structure keeps things sane. I use automatic feeders to keep meal times consistent, water fountains to encourage hydration, automatic litter boxes to reduce daily maintenance. Cleaning tech is another area I have been spending more time on lately. I will be sharing reviews soon on robot vacuums that are actually practical for cat homes. All of these tools help with convenience, but they don't really tell you how your cats are doing. You still don't know who's using the litter box more than usual. You don't know who might be straining or who suddenly changed their routine. That gap between convenience and actual helps insights is what led me to this product. This is the SiiPet LitterLens. At its core, LitterLens is a small camera system designed specifically for cat litter boxes. It doesn't replace your litter box. Instead, it adds visibility to something that already plays a huge role in your cat's health. By observing litter box behavior, LitterLens can identify patterns related to urinary health, bowel movements, and overall routine changes. If you have owned cats long enough, you know that litter box habits are often the first thing to change when something's wrong. But the problem is, most of us don't notice those changes early enough. That's where this system is meant to help. Setting this up is honestly very straightforward. Right now, I'm using the LitterLens on one of my automatic litter boxes. The box comes with 2 main parts: the camera itself and a mounting bracket with adhesive on the back. What I recommend doing first is opening the app and turning on the real-time camera view. That makes it much easier to find the right position before sticking anything down. Once you find a good spot, you attach the bracket and then the camera simply snaps into place. That's basically the entire installation process. One thing I really like about the mount is how adjustable it is. You can tilt it up, down, left, and right, which matters a lot because litter boxes come in so many different shapes and sizes. That flexibility makes the LitterLens much easier to adapt, especially if you're not using a standard box. The same setup logic applies to a regular, non-automatic litter box as well. In my case, placing it right here gives me a clear and complete view of the litter area. Since this is a wide-angle camera, you don't need to mount it very far back to capture everything. In most litter boxes, you get full coverage without blocking your cat or changing how they use the box. The video quality itself is solid. And at the bottom of the camera, there's a built-in light. It turns on automatically when needed, like this. So the camera can clearly capture what's going on even in low light situations. One of the biggest challenges in multi-cat homes isn't just tracking activity, it's accuracy. The real question is whether the system can actually tell which cat is which. When you first set up LitterLens, the app asks you to enter basic information for each cat, like their name and photo. At first, I assumed these photos would use directly for automatic recognition, but that's not exactly how it works. Once you finish adding your cats, LitterLens will start sending notifications every time a cat uses the litter box. At this stage, the system knows that a cat is using the box, but it doesn't know which cat it is. After going through this process a few times, you start to see where their Cat Sense Plus system really comes in. Once it has enough reference data, the system begins identifying each cat on its own. I will be honest, the first day wasn't perfect. In my house, I have 3 orange cats that look pretty similar, and there were a few mixed up early on. That said, what surprised me was how fast the accuracy improved. By the second day, the identification was basically spot on. You can see in these notifications that the system correctly recognized which cat is which without me having to intervene anymore. For the household with this many cats, that level of accuracy makes the data actually usable. Once the system is running, this is where LitterLens starts to earn its place. The camera tracks litterbox visits automatically. It looks at how often a cat enters, how long they stay, and how those patterns change over time. With 9 cats, I'm not watching each visit manually. The app organizes this data and highlights anything that stands out. For example, if one cat starts visiting more frequently than usual or spends noticeably longer in the box, the app will send alerts. This kind of information is especially valuable for urinary health. Issues in that area can escalate quickly if you miss the early signs. Another feature that's worth talking about is stool monitoring. If you've ever taken a cat to the vet, there's a good chance the vet has told you that stool is one of the easiest ways to tell how a cat is doing health-wise. Digestion issues, stress, diet problems, a lot of things showed up there first. Problem is, in a multiple cat's household, it's almost impossible to really observe this properly. You don't know which cat does what, and you definitely don't have a clear view every single time. This is where LitterLens becomes generally useful. The system captures high-definition image of stool during litter box visits, giving you a clear visual record over time. To give you a more direct idea of what this looks like, I'm going to show you a few sample images on screen. They're scaled down because it's not the most pleasant thing to look at. If you would rather skip this part, feel free to jump ahead a bit. That said, this was actually the first time I have ever seen such clear image on my cat's stool, and it does make a difference. It's not just about taking photos. The system also analyzes those images and looks for irregularities. That includes things like unusual soft stool, abnormal shapes, or visual signs that something might be off. If everything looks normal, you'll probably never think about it, which is a good thing. But if there's a sudden change, the app flags it and brings it to your attention. At the very least, you know when something changes, instead of finding out days later. That gives you time to respond calmly, adjust diets, monitor behavior, or decide whether a vet visit is actually necessary, rather than reacting late when the problem has already escalated. The LitterLens has an IP65 waterproof rating, which makes cleaning straightforward, and that matters a lot around litter boxes. Battery life has also been solid in my experience. With basic normal usage, I'm charging it about once a month, but battery life does depend on how you use it. The more visits it records, or the more often you open the live view in the app, the faster the battery will drain. So, who is this actually for? If you have one cat and you're very hands-on, this gives you extra reassurance. If you have multiple cats, it gives you visibility that's otherwise almost impossible. This isn't about replacing vet care, it's about catching changes earlier, when they're easier and less stressful to deal with. For me, it fills the gaps that most small pet products ignore. To wrap things up, the SiiPet LitterLens adds intelligence to something your cats already use every day. It works with both automatic and traditional litter boxes, integrates smoothly into existing setups, and focus on health and size rather than just convenience. If you have multiple cat litter boxes, you can buy multiple packs, and the track data can be across different boxes. SiiPet offers a significant discount for multi-pack purchase. Here you can see the different pack size and coupon discounts depending on how many units you need. I will also leave the link in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you're already using any kind of small health monitoring for your pets, or if this is something you have been thinking about adding. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.